welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my new laptop that I recently purchased here from Hong Kong. So without further ado and much rambling, let's get started. The laptop that I was using before was from HP, and all these buttons, they light up. I recently purchased this one from HP, and this is how it looks. It's super thin, it is super sleek, and it looks extremely beautiful. Even this keypad glows once the power is on, and which I will demonstrate by turning the power off. And this looks pretty cute, huh? This one is silver in color. The one that I had before was black, and this one I absolutely love. So let me first go ahead and tell you the make, the model, and the space and the specification of this laptop. This one is HP EliteBook 830. It is 11th generation Intel Core i5. The hard disk is approximately 479 GB, and it has Windows 10 pre-installed in it, and it's a completely touch screen. And like I said before, the keypad, they light up, so you can work even at night when the lights are off. So this is pretty helpful for people who work at night like me. The audio is from Bang & Olufsen, which is a high-end Danish audio company, and that's what we have in this EliteBook. And as you can see, this is one single touchpad. It does not have a left or a right key. So this is just one single panel, and the screen is also touch screen, so it's a soft touch and extremely sensitive. So this was my previous laptop, and as you can see, all the buttons, they light up. So the room is dark right now, however we can still see all the buttons and work. So this is extremely helpful, and my new laptop has pretty much the same thing. This is my new laptop, and this is how it looks. The keys and all, they glow, so even if you're working at night, you do not need any light. This will help you to work at night as well. And it has Intel Core i5. This is how it looks. And let me go ahead and show you the touch screen. As you can see, this is one single panel. It doesn't have a left and a right key. So the entire panel is a touchpad, and this is how you operate. Let me go ahead and type my channel. So like you can see, this is my channel, and see the touch. It is extremely sensitive, so this is a soft touch. By one single soft touch, you can open any application that you want to, and this is how you see. And you can open anything that you want to check by the touch of your finger, like you can see. You can also and welcome to my channel. Turn on the audio. I'll be sharing with you what? Turn off the audio. Right. Close window. This is extremely helpful if you are okay with touch. This is my previous laptop, and as you can see, the keypad is completely different, the alphanumeric keypad. The reason being, this is a German laptop. I have purchased it from Germany while I was in Frankfurt, and as you can see, it has Rollin, pause, Enfag, Antif. This is U, which is umlaut, and Z is actually Y, and Y is actually Z. So this one is a little complicated if you're not aware of German alphabets. However, I have been using it for a very long time, so I pretty much know where the keys are. However, my new laptop, as you can see, this is a completely English laptop, because I have purchased this one from Hong Kong. This is little user friendly, and anybody and everybody can use it. Now coming to the size, as you can see that this is much heftier, much bulkier. This is compact and sleek, easy to carry, and easy to maneuver as well. So this is pretty much the difference. However, when it comes to editing and stuff, I can work on any one of these, so it doesn't matter to me. And that's all for today's video, folks. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. All my social media handle will be listed in the description box down below, so go follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and also on Instagram. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.